What's going on there, YouTube? This is Sick Eric back again with another video, and today, yes people, this is the LG V40, think whatever you want to call it. I am officially switching on over to the LG V40 from the OnePlus 6T. This phone recently got dropped in price on T-Mobile. It is now $720. It was $920. Which was too expensive, I think, in my opinion, when it first came out. Now it got dropped to $720. Now that is $140 more than the OnePlus 6T. Now you are getting a better display, higher resolution display, better boombox speaker, micro SD card expansion, and also a headphone jack with a better DAC on board. The things you're missing out on this is the in-display fingerprint sensor, 120 gigabytes of onboard storage, and the software as far as Oxygen OS and Android Pie. But hopefully this device will get Android Pie soon, the beginning of this year, or this next year. But let's go ahead and unbox it. I know there's a whole bunch of unboxing videos of this device, and we all know LG is very uneventful about all the stuff they put in the box, but we're after the phone here, so let's go ahead and get down to it. But yeah, I'm very excited. This is the phone I originally wanted, but like I said, when it first came out, it was too expensive. So the first thing you're greeted with is the cleaning cloth. They started doing this, I believe, with the V30, if I'm not mistaken. So that's a nice touch. Then you got the device up top. On the back, you have the 2-year warranty, 2nd year promise on the back stuck to it. Let's go ahead and set the phone aside. SIM card, of course. This is T-Mobile version. You got all your booklets and stuff in here, which we all know we do not take a look at that. You got your SIM card ejection tool, welcome start guide, and warranty info. Same stuff as usual. You got your charger brick. This is a fast charging brick. It looks like they changed it a little bit as far as the color goes. It's more of a matte finish. It used to be that shiny white color, but they changed it. And then you got your USB A to USB Type C charger port right here. And like I said, I wish LG would be a little bit more, include a little bit more stuff in the package, like some headphones or something, since this does have a really good audio DAC. But it is what it is. Like I said, we're here, we're after the phone, not the shit inside the box. I just wish they would add a little bit more. So let's go ahead and get the phone out of its plastic covering and all of these stickers off. Now this phone has a really unique color to it. It's black, but it also shines like a bluish color, which is pretty cool. As you can see right there. And the light, it does have a bluish tint to it. It feels really nice in the hands, actually. It's big, but it's still comfortable. It's not heavy, but it feels really nice in the hand. As you can see, the 3 cameras. This phone, also an advantage towards the OnePlus 6. This has 2 extra cameras on it. It's got 3 in the back and 2 in the front, as you can see right there. And of course, like I said, micro headphone jack at the bottom, your speaker, USB Type C. Fingerprint sensor is on the back, so there's no in-display fingerprint sensor. You got your volume rockers over here on the left hand side, along with your Google Assistant button. You got your power button over here. Along the top, you got a microphone, and along the right hand side, you also have your SD card slot along with your SIM card slot. So let's go ahead and boot it up. I'll be right back, set it up, and I'll show you guys the amount of storage that's on here and any apps that are on there as well. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're back after setting everything up. Unfortunately, I did have a system update available for this device, but luckily for you guys, this only takes like no time at all because of movie magic. But it took me about 20 minutes to get everything set up and to download the update. So this is the LG V40. Let's go ahead and jump into settings, and I'll show you guys the storage as far as what is being used. And there is 17 gigs being used of the internal storage. And here is some other settings. So you got about 46.54 gigs free. And as far as apps being on here, you have your LG Smart World, T-Mobile, Name ID, Quick Help. I'm just going to try to see, and of course McAfee. Security, try to see if these could be uninstalled as well, because I really don't use any of these apps. Mobile hotspot, do not use. Let's see if that can't be disabled. But I'm pretty sure you could be able to go on the Play Store and download package disabler and disable some of these apps. So hopefully we can do that. You can uninstall McAfee, so you can go ahead and do that. But like I said, this has been the unboxing of the LG V40. I am turning in my OnePlus 6T for this device. Hopefully everything works out. Just a couple of specs on it. It's got 6 gigabytes of RAM, Snapdragon 845 processor, 64 gigs of internal storage. It's got 5 cameras, telephoto, normal, wide angle on the front. It's got 2 cameras, a 5 megapixel wide angle and an 8 megapixel primary selfie camera. The display is a QHD display, AMOLED, so you're going to be able to hide this notch a lot better than you were able to on the G7. But that is pretty much it, guys. Stay tuned for future videos on this device. For my review and everything, if you found this video useful, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.